In the world of AI, there are game changers, and then there are super plugins. Welcome to the future of AI with GPT-4's WebPilot and LinkReader. These aren't just tools, they're your AI sidekicks, ready to extend the reach of ChatGPT-4 into new and exciting areas. How would you use these super plugins in your daily lives to 10 times your productivity? Tell us in the comments section below. The WebPilot plugin is a tool designed to interact with, extract, and process information from web pages. Here are some of its key features. Web page interaction. WebPilot can visit and interact with web pages, simulating the actions a human user might take. This includes clicking on buttons, filling out forms, and navigating through different sections of a site. Information extraction. WebPilot can extract specific information from a web page. This could be anything from the text of an article, to data in a table, to metadata about the page itself. Content processing. Once information has been extracted, WebPilot can process it in various ways. This could include summarizing an article, translating text into a different language, or reformatting data for easier understanding. User requests. Users can provide specific requests for how they want WebPilot to interact with a web page or what information they want extracted. This allows for a high degree of customization and control over the tool's actions. URL input. WebPilot operates based on URLs provided by the user. This means it can interact with any web page that is publicly accessible via a URL. Respecting privacy and copyright. WebPilot is designed to respect all privacy and copyright laws. It will not access or extract information from password-protected or restricted access resources unless appropriate permissions are provided. Integration with other tools. WebPilot can be used in conjunction with other tools and plugins to provide more comprehensive and nuanced information processing. The LinkReader plugin is a powerful tool designed to understand and synthesize information from various digital resources. Here are some of its key features. Wide array of link types. LinkReader can interpret content from a broad range of link types, including web pages, PDF documents, PowerPoint presentations, images, Word files, and more. This broadens the scope of data it can interact with. Content interpretation. LinkReader operates as a content interpreter. It navigates to the source material provided via a link, processes the information found there, and relays it for further use. This data can then be used to generate more informed, accurate, and contextually relevant responses. Keyword activation. The use of LinkReader can be initiated through certain keywords or phrases. For instance, a user wanting to know the summary of a specific online article might use a phrase like, "Summarize the content of this link," followed by the URL. Other keywords that could activate LinkReader might include read, interpret, analyze, or understand, along with a link. Detailed and accurate responses. LinkReader provides detailed and accurate responses based on the contents of a web page or document. It can translate text from linked resources, summarize lengthy articles, explain complex concepts found in digital documents, and much more. Respecting privacy and copyright. LinkReader respects all copyright and privacy laws. It does not access or interpret content from password-protected or restricted access resources unless appropriate permissions are provided. In essence, LinkReader is a revolutionary tool that considerably expands the breadth and depth of digital content comprehension. It facilitates the interpretation and understanding of a vast range of digital content, enhancing the quality of responses and enriching interactions. When used together, the WebPilot and LinkReader plugins offer a comprehensive solution for interacting with, extracting, and interpreting digital content. WebPilot can visit and interact with web pages, extracting specific information based on user requests. This extracted information can then be processed by LinkReader, which is adept at interpreting content from a wide array of digital resources, including web pages, PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, and more. This combination allows for a high degree of customization and control, enabling users to obtain detailed, accurate, and contextually relevant responses based on the contents of a wide range of digital resources. With these super plugins, the possibilities are near endless. They're not just tools, they're your AI partners. Share your experiences with these or any GPT-4 plugins in the comments section below. So, are you ready to supercharge your AI journey with GPT-4's WebPilot and LinkReader? Like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights.